print a pattern in Python using for loop. So first I'm taking for I in range, where the starting point will be 1 and it will end up to 6. After that I will print blank statement for a new line, and after that I will take another variable j in range one comma I plus 1. Here I will print a simple asterisk and end statement for a new row. Now I will run this file. Okay, so you can see the output over here. It gives us a pattern. Thank you.